and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day set, so let's get started. Here I'm showing you the colors Kiara Sky's Green with Envy and Nail Addict's White Addict, as well as, where are you? Yes, Nail Addict's Green Addict and a Beatles color A97 from their fall collection. So here we have the nails, stilettos, buffed and ready for foundation, well, base coat. So I hope that you are having a great day. This set was so fun to make, and this is the first of many proud sets that I have developed. So we're just going to put on that foundation, base coat, and have that cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I have seen where a lot of you wanted to get the organizational videos, and those are coming. A lot is coming up. I bought a new iPad. I have new software, so hopefully the quality of my videos will be better than what they have been in the past, and I'm very proud so far. So now we're going to go in with Green with Envy, and that's going to be put on the middle finger. See, I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit. And so we have a lot coming up. Like I said, the organizational videos are coming. I will say this, so I'm actually in the process of purging as well as organizing, so you're probably going to get a lot of mini videos, and I'll create a playlist with that. So we just put a coat on, 2 coats, goes into the lamp for 30 seconds. And now we're going to take the pointer and the ring. These two are going to be painted in white. So we're just going to do that, the 2 coats of the white, and I'll just let you watch. You know what's funny? Actually, as I'm watching this back, I probably could have made this clip a lot faster, honestly. Oh well. Now we have a little palette, and I added on Tuscan Sun, so it has all the colors. And what I'm going to do right now is just create little polka dots. This dotting tool I got from a set of 5 dotting tools that are double-sided on Amazon. So then we just create our little dots. In hindsight, I probably would have changed the colors of this, and you'll see what I mean a little bit later on in the video. I probably would have had the middle nail as white, and then these 2 nails as like that Green with Envy green. But I still like the way the set came out. So we're going to do the same thing on this one. I cure between each color 30 seconds only because I don't want the dots to smudge or bleed or move around too much. I want them to stay exactly where I put them. Oh wow, this clip is way longer than I thought, huh? Note to self, Gina, shorten up polka dots because they don't need to see how to do polka dots 20 million times for 20 million minutes. Cool. And those go into the cure, into the lamp for 60 seconds. So that's how these look so far. Off camera, I did paint the thumb and pinky on with the green addict. I forgot to film that. So now we're just gonna take that middle finger and we're gonna put a sticker on. So this is where I said earlier, I think I would have done this with a white nail and then had the pointer and the ring as this green and transposed it. Like I said, I still think it's cute. So I'm gonna put you right there. And now we're gonna start with some gems. I actually had to redo this nail because the original design I had, I actually hated. So this is actually the second take of me doing this same nail. So I'm going to do a swoop, and in the little tray on the side of me, I have some orange crystals, as well as peridot emerald, and later on I did add in some AB crystals, and all these crystals I found on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description. If you love what you are seeing, and trust me, there is going to be more to come and things just get bigger and better, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and I want to talk to you. I want to communicate with my audience. Tell me what you want to see and I'll see if I can do it. Tell me about yourselves. What do you want to know about me? I want to communicate and create an audience on this platform, and just all of us, let's be YouTube, internet, girls that love press-ons or boys that love press-ons and being creative friends. That's what we want to do. So follow on IG at Siren Beauty. There is way more there. There are more sets that I have on my IG page that I did. For example, I did a couple of sets for RuPaul's Drag Race inspired by some of the outfits from the queens, and they were very fun to make. If you want to see a recreation of any of those, please let me know in the comments on IG or on YouTube here. So we're just going in with the silver caviars. I did like this little swoop design. And what's great about this is the Lisette gel. So you can just move everything around, position it, and then once you love your design, then you can set it into the lamp for 60 seconds. Now we have the thumbnail. You can see more of the crystals right there. And I'm just gonna do like this really weird swoosh design. I don't know what my thought process was. I was just like, I just want pretty swoosh. I'm trying to get better at crystal placements, come up with new ideas. It'll come to me. So I'm actually recording this at the same time that I'm actually working because I know this video needs to get out soon. So if you hear any background noises, it's probably just my computer and emails coming in. How many of y'all work from home still after this whole pandemic? I've been working from home since about 2021, and honestly, I don't ever want to go back into the office. And I am someone who originally is from New York that worked in the financial space, and so I'm very used to the corporate office and the hustle and bustle and trains and all of that good stuff, but I'm so glad not to do it, honestly. Gives me time to do more things like this. As you can see there, I just added in the AB crystals. I don't know why my camera doesn't look as, well, I'm recording on my phone. I don't know why it doesn't look as crisp and clear. And then once again, adding in the silver caviar beads. I do have a question for you. So when I do these sets, I do them in the size of how you would wear it. So I size these nails to be wearable. So you have your pinky all the way to your thumb. Well, reverse. I have noticed that some other channels, they do just about the same size nail, so maybe like all size 3s, because they're focusing more on the design itself. Would you want to see that? Do you want to see the same size nail and just like focus on the design of the set itself, or do you want to see real sizes? For your reference, from thumb to pinky, I am a 3, 6, 5, 6, 9. So I usually do a small. I have really tiny fingers, as you can see by how tiny that thumb is. Not thumb, the pinky is, excuse me. We're just going to do a little quick set here. Once you do all your crystal placements with this gel, you do put it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And as well as off camera, I did do the top coat. It was just a regular Nail Addict no wipe top coat. And again, we're going to add in some more little beads. I know I have bigger ones, but for some reason I can't find them. I don't know where they went. I have to look for them. See, this is why you need to declutter. You need to organize and declutter. Get that little bit off. So once that's done, in the lamp for 60 seconds, top coat 30 seconds, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll join you next time. Bye!